Why structure matters in yoga.
A well-structured yoga session provides balance and flexibility, helping you get the most from your practice. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, planning your session in advance ensures you warm up properly, flow through a sequence safely, and end with relaxation. Understanding how to organize these elements can make your at-home yoga both enjoyable and effective.
Step 1. Set your intention and prepare.
Begin by deciding what you want from your session. Are you focusing on relaxation, strength, or flexibility? Clear a quiet space, lay down your mat, and gather any props like blocks or straps. This mindful start helps you focus and prepares your body and mind for practice.
Step 2. Warm up and gentle movement.
Warming up is essential for safety and flow. Start with gentle movements, simple stretches, neck rolls, cat-cow, or child's pose. Spend 5 to 10 minutes mobilizing your joints, bringing awareness to your breath, and easing into your body before moving into more challenging poses.
Step 3. Core sequence of poses.
This is the heart of your session. Choose a sequence that matches your intention. For strength, include poses like plank or warrior. For flexibility, focus on stretches like downward dog or lunge. Flow through poses slowly, connecting breath with movement. Aim for balance. Include standing, seated, and twisting poses as desired.
Step 4. Cool down and final relaxation.
Wind down with calming stretches and restorative poses. Gentle forward bends, supine twists, or supported legs up the wall are great choices. End with several minutes in Savasana, lying on your back, to let your body absorb the benefits of your practice and calm your mind.
Tips for a rewarding at-home yoga practice.
Stay consistent, listen to your body, and keep sessions simple. Adjust routines based on how you feel each day. Consider following online videos or printed guides for inspiration. And remember, the best yoga session is one you enjoy and can maintain regularly.